Yes, we are starting with the new heading, and the new heading is effective atomic number. In short form, it is called as what? EAN. Effective atomic number, which is called as what? EAN. Effective atomic number. Now, what is here? It is the total number of electrons present around the central metal atom or ion. What is effective atomic number? It is the total number of electrons. Total number of electron present around the central metal atom or ion. मतलब हमारा जो central metal atom है या हमारा जो central metal ion है उसके surrounding में कितने electrons है, हमें किससे पता चलेंगे? effective atomic number से. effective atomic number से हमारा जो central metal atom है, central metal atom के बाजू में surrounding में कितने electrons है, कहाँ से पता चलेंगे? effective atomic number. Okay. Second, it is calculated as the sum of electrons of metal atom, sum of electrons of metal atom or ion, and the number of electrons donated by ligands. How it is calculated? It is calculated what? Sum of the electrons. Sum of the electron कहाँ से? Metal atom और ion. The metal atom और ion के पास कितने electrons है? Plus number of electrons donated by the ligand. Ligands ने कितने electron donate किए? It is sum of the metal atom के पास कितने electrons है और ligand कितने electron donate कर रहा है. Correct? It is calculated by using formula EAN, effective atomic number, equal to Z minus X plus Y. Z minus X plus Y, where Z is atomic number of metal atom. Z is called as atomic number of the metal atom. X is number of electron lost by a metal atom forming a metal ion. X is a number of electron. What is C? What is Z stand for? Atomic number of the metal ion. हमारे metal number का atomic number, metal atom का atomic number. X मतलब number of electron lost by a metal atom forming a metal ion. मतलब metal ने कितने electron loss किए. And Y total number of electrons donated by all ligands in the complex. Total number of electrons donated by all ligands in the complex. मतलब ligands total कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर रहे हैं. देखो तीनों का मीनिंग क्या है. Z is atomic number of the metal atom. हमारा atomic number कितना. X का मतलब number of electron lost by the metal atom. Okay, and Y means what? Total number of electron donated by the ligand. Ligands कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर रहे हैं. Generally the value of EAN. EAN मतलब what? Effective atomic number. The value of EAN is equal to the atomic number is equal to the atomic number of nearest inert gas element. मतलब हमें यहाँ पे जो EN के लिए आंसर मिलेगा, हमें यहाँ पे जो आंसर मिलेगा, द आंसर कितना रहेगा. Generally the value of EAN is equal to what? Atomic number of the nearest inert gas element. Nearest inert gas element. Okay, so I'll just revise first and then we'll go for the problem. What is effective atomic number? Total number of electron present around the central metal atom. हमारे सेंट्रल मेटल के आजू बाजू में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. करेक्ट. कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे. द सम ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ द मेटल एटम और आयन plus the number of electron donated by the ligand and given by which formula. Z is equal EAN, effective atomic number, equal to Z minus X plus Y. What is Z? Atomic number of the metal atom. What is X? Number of electron lost by the metal atom. And what is Y? Total number of electrons donated by all the ligands. Total number of electrons donated by all the ligands in the complex. और हमें जो EAN का आंसर मिलेगा, it is equal to what? Nearest inert gas. EAN का आंसर भी what? Nearest inert gas. Nearest inert gas means what? Argon is 18, krypton is 36, and xenon is 54. हमारा जो आंसर मिलेगा, either it will be going to be 18, or it will be going to be 36, or it will be going to 54. Nearest inert gas के atom. En is equal to the atomic number of the nearest inert gas element. Okay, nearest inert gas element. Next, now we'll take the example. Example 1. Consider a complex ion CO NH 3 6 3 plus. Okay. Consider the complex ion CO NH3C plus. Calculate effective atomic number of cobalt. Calculate effective atomic number of cobalt. ये हमारा जो cobalt है उसका effective atomic number calculate करो. Okay, calculate effective atomic number of cobalt. सबसे पहले हम cobalt का oxidation number निकालेंगे. तो X, or I can write down here oxidation state of cobalt plus 6 into charge on ammonia equal to plus 3. See here, cobalt oxidation state of the cobalt. 6 ammonia, 6 into charge on ammonia equal to plus 3. Cobalt CO, and we know that ammonia is a neutral ligand. Ammonia is a neutral ligand, so it is 0 equal to plus 3. So CO plus 0 equal to plus 3. Therefore CO is equal to plus 3. So here we got oxidation number of cobalt is plus 3. Oxidation number of cobalt is plus 3. Now we'll start. Z. What is Z? Atomic number of cobalt. Cobalt का atomic number. What is the atomic number of the cobalt? 27. X. Now X is what? X is, what is X? Number of electron lost by the metal ion forming the metal ion. So here cobalt oxidation number is plus 3. So oxidation state of cobalt is plus 3. Therefore, cobalt will lose 3 electrons. So X equal to 3. X equal to 3. And then Y. What is Y? Y is what? Total number of electron donated by all the ligands. Total number of electron donated ligands. So how many ligands here? See, there are in the formula, there are ammonia 6 ligands. So there are 6 ligands. Therefore, number of electrons donated by ligand is equal to, one ligand donate 2 electrons, so 6 into 2 is equal to 12. See, one ligand donate 2 electron, so 6 ligand will donate how much? So 6 multiplied by 2, how many electron? 12 electron. Now we got the value of the Z is 27, X is 3, and Y is equal to 12. How we got 12? 6 ligand, and each ligand donates 2 electrons, so 6 will donate how many? So 6 into 2, 12. Now I can write down EAN is equal to Z minus X plus Y. Z is equal to 27. X is equal to 3. and y is equal to 12. 27 minus 3, 24 plus 12, and 36. So EAN is 36, and 36 is the atomic number. 36 is the atomic number of which element? Krypton. (36) is the atomic number of krypton. करेक्ट. तो यहाँ पे 36 आंसर आ रहा है. तो क्या क्या सबसे पहले हमें जो कॉम्प्लेक्स दिया था उस कॉम्प्लेक्स में कोबाल्ट का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर फाइंड आउट किया. कोबाल्ट का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कितना आ गया? 3 आ गया. बाद में कोबाल्ट का एटॉमिक नंबर कितना था? 27 था. एटॉमिक नंबर 27 था. कोबाल्ट का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर 3 था. तो कोबाल्ट कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करेगा? 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करेगा. एंड 6 लिगैंड्स है. Each ligands donate how many electron? 2 electron. So 6 will donate how many electrons? 6 to the 12. And then we got the values. Here answer is 36. 27 minus 3 plus 12. 27 minus 3 is 24. Plus 12 is 36. And 36 is the atomic number of krypton. Krypton is the inert gas, correct? We'll take 2 more examples. Second example. Find EAN of Fe CN6 minus 4. Find EAN of Fe CN6. Now first find out the oxidation number. Now see Fe CN6 minus 4. First find out the oxidation number of Fe. So I'll just write down here oxidation state of Fe plus 6 into charge on cyanide group equal to minus 4. Equal to minus 4. Oxidation state of Fe हमें मालूम नहीं, find out करना है. Oxidation state of Fe 6 into cyanide is the negative ligand. And what is the formula for cyanide? Cn minus 1. So 6 into minus 1 equal to minus 4. Oxidation state of Fe 6 into 1 minus 6. 6 into 1 minus 6 equal to minus 4. Oxidation state of Fe is equal to minus 6 equal to minus 4. Fe equal to minus 4 and minus 6 will come on the right side and become what? Plus 6. So oxidation state of Fe is 2 plus 2. Okay. Now first, again the first one, Z. What is Z? Atomic number of Fe. Fe का atomic number कितना होता है? 26. Okay, so Z is what? Atomic number of Fe. So we got the value of Z. X. What is X? Charge on metal ion. What is charge on the metal ion? +2. Charge on the metal ion is +2 or 2. Or you can say charge on the metal ion is +2. Therefore, number of electron lost by atom is equal to 2. Number of electron loss of charge on the metal ion is +2. Plus matlab loss. Number of electron lost by the atom to we got the value of x and y. Total number of ligands. How many ligands are there? 6. Therefore, number of electrons donated by ligands. एक लिगैंड कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन देगा? 2. तो 6 कितने देंगे? 6 2 12 इलेक्ट्रॉन. So total number of the electrons donated by the ligand. One ligand will donate 2 electrons. So 6 will donate how much? 6 to the 12. And now we can use effective atomic number is equal to Z minus X plus Y. Z is atomic number 26. X number of electron lost 2. And total number of electron given by the ligand 12. So 26 minus 2, 24 plus 12 is 36. And 36 is the atomic number of nearest inert gas, krypton. 36 is the atomic number of the nearest inert gas. इसके near में effective मतलब 36 आ गया. 36 is the atomic number of the nearest inert gas, that is krypton. बस इतना ही. CrCO6. CrCO6, correct? Now for CrCO6, again you can find out the, first we'll find out oxidation state of Cr. Oxidation state of Cr. The 6 into charge on CO. and यहाँ पे ऊपर कुछ चार्ज नहीं, मतलब इक्वल टू क्या लेना है? 0 लेना है. इक्वल टू क्या लेना है? 0 लेना है. ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट of chromium plus 6 into, and we know that CO is carbon monoxide, and it is neutral ligand. CO is a carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a neutral ligand. तो यहाँ पे 0 equal to 0. Oxidation state of chromium 6 into 0 equal to 0. 0, 0 is no mean. So oxidation state of chromium equal to 0. Okay, oxidation state of chromium equal to 0. Now we'll say here Z. What is Z? Atomic number of chromium is 24. X. Oxidation state of chromium is 0. Therefore, electron lost by the chromium atom is 0. And why? There are, तो यहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर 0 है, तो 0 इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करेगा, 0 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करेगा. एंड वाई? कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 6 है, लिगैंड्स आर 6. So while there are 6 ligand, therefore total number of electrons donated by ligand is equal to 6 into 2. One ligand will donate 2 electrons. One ligand will donate 2 electrons. 6 will donate how much? 6 to the 12. And now we can find out the EAN. EAN is equal to Z minus X plus Y. What is Z? Atomic number 24. Electron lost by the metal, 0. And total number of electron donated by the ligand, 12. So 24 minus 24 plus 12, 36. This is the atomic number of nearest gas. This is the atomic number of the nearest inert gas, krypton, 36. Okay, this is the atomic number of the nearest inert gas, krypton, 36. We'll take one more example. I'll just like exceptions. However, certain other certain high coordination compounds do not obey the EAN rule. There are certain, however, there are certain other coordinate compounds जिनके लिए EAN रूल एप्लीकेबल नहीं है. There are certain other coordination compound जिनके लिए EAN रूल एप्लीकेबल नहीं है. And for example is FeCN 6 3 minus. FeCN 6 3 minus के लिए ये रूल एप्लीकेबल नहीं. कैसे नहीं? देखो, सबसे पहले हम लोग देखेंगे ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ Fe फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट of Fe plus 6 into charge on cyanide equal to -3. And here oxidation state of Fe हमें मालूम नहीं है, तो फाइंड आउट करना है. ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ Fe plus 6. What is charge on cyanide? Cyanide -1. 6 into -1 equal to -3. So here oxidation state of Fe -6 equal to -3. 6 into -1 -6 equal to -3. Oxidation state of Fe is equal to -3 plus 6. Therefore, oxidation state of Fe is +3. Fe का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कितना आ गया? +3 आ गया. करेक्ट. अभी Z, ये फर्स्ट पार्ट हो गया. Z atomic number of Fe is 26. X oxidation state of Fe is +3. Therefore, total number of electrons. Therefore, oxidation state of Fe is plus. Therefore, total number of electron lost by Fe is 3. And why? There are 6 ligands. There are 6 ligands. Okay. So therefore, total number of electron donated by ligands 6 into 2, 12. Because 6 ligand, each will donate 2 electron. Each ligand will donate 2 electron. So 6 ligand will donate how many electrons? 6 to the 12. And now I can use the formula. EAN is equal to Z minus X plus Y. Z is the atomic number, 26. X, number of electron lost by the ligand, 3. And number of Y, number of electron donated by the ligand, 12. 12, correct? So 26 minus 3, 23 plus 12, that is 35. 35, it is not 36. It is not 36. Therefore, यहाँ पे 36 नहीं आ रहा है. Therefore, the complex do not follow EAN. Therefore, complex do not follow EAN rule. ये complex हमारा EAN rule follow नहीं करता है. तो यहाँ पे हमारा सम कितना आ रहा है? 35 आ रहा है. अगर हमारा सम 36 आएगा तो EAN रूल इज एप्लीकेबल. लेकिन सम अगर 36, हमारा सम कितना आना चाहिए? हमारा सम कितना आना चाहिए? आइदर इट कैन बी 18 और इट कैन बी 36 और इट कैन बी 54. इसके सम अगर आएगा तो EAN रूल इज एप्लीकेबल, लेकिन इतना सम अगर नहीं आएगा तो EAN रूल इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल. यहाँ पे हमारा 35 आ रहा है, 35 का मतलब EAN रूल इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल. ओके, एक लास्ट एग्जांपल दो इसका जो EAN रूल एप्लीकेबल नहीं है उसका. सेकेंड, EAN रूल जिसके लिए एप्लीकेबल नहीं है. Cu NH3 4 2 plus. First, find out the oxidation state of copper. Oxidation state of copper plus 4 charge on ammonia equal to 2 plus. And we know that ammonia is a neutral ligand. Ammonia is a neutral. Ammonia के ऊपर कोई भी charge नहीं है. So oxidation state of copper plus 4 charge on ammonia is what? 0 equal to plus 2. 2 plus लिखो plus 2. So oxidation state of copper is equal to 4 into 0 करोगे तो 0 आ जाएगा, equal to plus 2 आ जाएगा, and therefore oxidation state of copper is plus 2, the first part. Now Z is what? Atomic number of which element? Copper is 29. Then X, oxidation state of copper is plus 2. Therefore, electron lost by the copper atom is 2. जितना ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर रहेगा उतना इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस करेगा. Why? Number of ligands. Number of ligands 4. Number of ligands 4. Therefore, total number of electrons donated by ligands. Total number of electrons donated by the ligand is equal to total number of electron donated by the ligand is equal to 2. 4 ligands, each will donate 2 electrons, so 4 2s are 8. Total number of electrons donated by the ligand will be what? 8. Now we can calculate EAN, effective atomic number is what? Z minus X plus Y. Z is atomic number 29. X, number of electron lost by the atom 2. Number of electron donated by the ligand 8. 29 minus 2 will be what? 27 plus 8, that is 35. 8 does not obeys EAN rule. ये जो कॉम्प्लेक्स है हमारा EAN rule obey नहीं कर सकता. So we have seen the numerical based on what? Effective atomic number. We have seen the numerical based on effective atomic number. Okay. So we have finished with this. Remaining topic we'll do it in the Remaining topic, we'll do it in the next lecture. Okay, so we'll stop it over here.